Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Caesars Casino game. So let's get started right away. Now first of all, open up the game on your device, and once you are inside the main menu, click on the menu icon at the top right corner and this will open up your profile. Click on the settings option and now you will see two different options to connect to the game. If you already have a Playetka account, you can click on the red connect button to log into this account. And if you signed up using your Facebook, you can tap on the Facebook button to proceed with logging into your account. Just tap on your appropriate login option and now you will be asked to enter your login method. Tap on your phone or your email based on whichever you used while signing up. Then you can simply type in your email address or your phone number followed by your account password. Once you type in both of your credentials, you can tap on the login button and you will immediately be logged in to your Caesars Casino game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the Caesars Casino game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.